second, etc. rotate. So in the case of the Sotapanna, who has brought about spiritual transformation up and has attained to the first stage of enlightenment, his wheels now rotate anti-clockwise because he is shedding the karma, shedding all the kilesas, all the mental defilements. So it's all opposite, anti-clockwise. In the case of an unenlightened person, it is the opposite, it is clockwise. It keeps on rotating on and on endlessly and brings about the samsaric existence. The kilesas involve the person, the unenlightened person, in karmas, all kinds of karmas. And the karmas in turn have their potency and rotate the wheel of vipaka or the karmic result in the form of rebirth from life to life. So these wheels, you see the three wheels of kilesa rotating the karmas and the karma rotating the, vipaka or rebirth. From life to life you keep on, moving on. You are born from life to life and so on the wheel of samsara rotates. Now Sotapanna has succeeded in reversing that. That is a very, very tremendous achievement indeed. No achievement can be called greater than that. To be free from, from all these planes of existence which are, the symbols of suffering. To be free from becoming an animal. To be free from becoming, let's say, a ghost or a spirit. Free from becoming a diabolical being like Asura, the titanic beings. And to be free from these hellish worlds of suffering. My goodness, a tremendous freedom. So, on one hand, your mind gets completely liberated from these defilements and the fetters. So what happened? Like the Bodhi tree, once it shades all the leaves and the tree becomes bare. Why? Only to give new foliage. A wonderful, beautiful little, reddish, very, very little leaves they grow. And they are so sweet to look at. Then they grow into a green foliage. And very simply wonderful. During the Buddha Jayanti time, our Bodhi tree is absolutely majestic with the greenery, with the green, with the vegetation. So the Sotapanna sheds the kilesas only to give birth to most exalted states of mind called Bodhipakya Dhamma. There are 37 Bodhipakya Dhammas, which means, the requisites of enlightenment. Just as to live in this world, we need all kinds of very, requisites which are of great necessity. Our day-to-day needs of life. For instance, food, clothing, home, medicaments. These are all essentials of life. Without that you can't live. So also there are certain essentials of spiritual life. And to attain, enlightenment. And they are known as Bodhipakya Dhamma. Those spiritual qualities which are requisites for enlightenment. So the Sotapanna on one hand is shedding all these kilesas and sangyojanas, the fetters, and at the same time acquiring those Bodhipakya Dhammas, leading to total, complete, full enlightenment as an Arhat. So the Sotapanna is destined to become Arhat. destined to attain supreme, the fullest enlightenment of an arhat. Nothing can stop him. That is why the name Sotapanna. Sota means stream. One who has entered the stream directly leading to Nibbana, to the full enlightenment of an arhat. So this wheel within a wheel. Sotapanna's wheel is reversal, Dhamma. It's a Dhamma Chakra. Lord Buddha, the first teaching was Dhamma Chakra Pavattana Sutta. The discourse on the setting in motion of the wheel of truth. That is what the Sotapanna achieves. He experiences a direct experience of Nibbana here and now, leading to the shedding of those factors that bind us in samsara. And therewith, freedom from all the karmas which would have thrown the Sotapanna into the apayas. Suffer for, it's not just centuries or thousands of years, but kalpa, unimaginably long period of time. All that suffering is gone. And the mind liberated from those most terrible states of existence. And he lives. His is an enlightenment which is known as Sa Upadisesa Nibbana. That means while still living as a living person, his mind is liberated. Now next discourse we will discuss on that and we will go further. Today it is this much is enough, that if you can remember, if you can keep it in your mind, that it is possible to turn the wheel of life, wheel of bondage, into a wheel of freedom, which a Sotapanna symbolizes. With this I conclude. May the blessings of Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha surround your lives with wisdom. May you all attain spiritual freedom. May you all be happy.